Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile picture without posting. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Let's get started. Open Facebook app. Tap to your profile icon on upper left corner. Click on camera icon on your profile photo. Select your photo from gallery. You can crop your photo to fit its standard aspect ratios. Click on done and then click on Save. Uploading your profile photo. Your profile photo has been uploaded. Scroll down, click on three dots icon on your uploaded profile photo. Click on Edit Post. Under your profile name, you will find a drop-down menu where Public is selected by default. Click on it and a pop-up menu will open. Then select Only Me. Click on Done. At last, click on Save. This is the simple trick to change profile picture without posting.